What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Milady Memecoin fam, we gotta talk, man. Kind of disappointed with what Ladies recently just did, the Lady project. Now, this is the thing, right? It is a meme coin, so it is high risk, high reward project, and we can't look at these projects, meme coins, as like, how should I say, like true valuable altcoins that have technology utility projects, right, or use case projects, right? But we know meme coins do have good ROIs, right? Especially going into a bull market, meme coins tend to outperform a lot of the other projects. That's how it's always been since Doge's and Shiba's explosion, right? But like I was saying earlier, I'm kind of disappointed with what the Ladies team recently did. I know it's they're trying to get awareness spread for the project, but my idea that I said in my previous video, which was yesterday's video, was I think the better option instead of what they did recently, right? So like I said, this to me is a bad look for the project. They could have just kept it going with like posting memes, because that's what Pepe has been doing. There's no utility involved, there's no use case. We're just posting memes because it is a meme coin project with no intrinsic value. We just post memes, we have fun. That's what a meme coin is all about, right? That's how it should be. So I'm just gonna be real with y'all, be as real with y'all as possible. Don't think I'll be covering the project as much anymore because of what they did recently. I will do, maybe I'll pop in and see if they have any good updates and stuff like that. But after what they did with their, I'm gonna get into it in a second, right? But after what they did with base chain, I was like, no, you should, what? Because I saw someone comment and say what they did, and I was like, no, you shouldn't have done that. You should have bridged to base chain, just like how you have Milady on ETH and Arbitrum. You should have also bridged to base chain, have a Milady meme coin, a legitimate meme coin for Ladies with the same contract, or linked to the same contract, just on base chain, right? Base chain took a huge hit today because Bald, which is one of the top projects sitting at $100 million in market cap, absolutely rugged, right? It's so crazy to see. The good part is with Ladies, it's not an actual rug project, right? There's nobody that got rugged. We're just having people getting bored, right? And they're in the crypto space. A week in crypto is like a month, right? 2 months is like a year. 2 months in crypto is like, because things change so fast in crypto, right? So when things are changing so fast, like I said, the best thing they could have been doing was to keep the community engaged, keep them active, because right now it's still holding up pretty good at $19 million in market cap, $2.4 million in 24-hour trade volume, still in consolidation phase, still one of the top memes in the space, right? There's still people in the community that are bullish on Ladies, like Gilo, Crypto Runner. He's bullish on Ladies. One day it will pass free zeros. I will lose like those, sell it 3 months before the big pump. That's another thing too. You just never know with these projects, right? C4, I'm bullish on Ladies. Sergey, think this could be the future of payments on Twitter, right? And 9L, I don't know about this one. It could go either way, right? That's how it is with meme coins. It could go either way, right? It could perform very well, or it could just start to fade. Not much people giving it any more attention. Starts to slow down. Not much more activity for the project, etc. That's that can happen with it as well, right? And that's why I said I'm kind of a bit disappointed, because you should have kept the main focus on Milady, right? The Milady meme coin, you should have kept the main focus on that, And if you were gonna interact with base chain, like I said in my video, I said it in this video, you should have created a bridge and bridged over tokens to base chain, right? So what the team recently did is launch their own token on base chain, and you know, they titled it supporting our sister coin. So this is going to be their coin on base chain, but they you know, like I said, they titled it as their sister coin, right? That to me, in my opinion, is basically them launching another project. And if you take a look at the chart, it's not doing great at all, man. It's straight up pumping up, man. You know, let me see real quick. I'm not sure which one. Hold on, I could pull up the contract from here, right? So you can see, and this is the thing, right? After Bald, it was doing great at first when it launched. I didn't notice because it launched in this morning before I could even check Twitter or anything like that, before I got to see anything on socials. It was doing great launch, but then boom, just started to fall off, especially after Bald on base chain rugged, right? So I think that was a bad move from them. What they were supposed to do, in my opinion, is bridge over this same lady's project to base chain, not launch, you know, a brand new project, right? Even if it's their sister token, right? So I'm kind of disappointed with that. And you know, people that got in at that time when it launched made some money, but then Bald rug the whole of base chain. As soon as Bald rug, a lot of projects took a hit. You know, that could be why this project took a hit as well, and not holding up that great anymore, because a lot of projects completely got wrecked after Bald rugged, man. And again, this is no laughing matter, but yeah, man, like it's crazy in the space, man. So like I said, I think I'll be covering this project a bit less now. If you're still holding ladies, there's no issue with that. Still listed on tier 1 exchanges. You never know what could happen in the future, guys. Like really, crypto is like so unpredictable, so you never know what could happen. You know, coming into the bull cycle, altcoin season, this original Milady meme coin could start going crazy once again. Still listed on tier 1 exchanges like KuCoin right here. Nice bit of volume on there. Crypto.com, nice bit of volume on there, and a ton of other exchanges, which is why I'm bullish, right? Because it's on these tier 1s, and if it could remain in, you know, if it could remain in those levels, then I'd be like, okay, you know, maybe. And like I said, it's a meme coin. I never really expected any use from it, just like Pepe. I don't expect any use from Pepe. I just think people to just buy it as a speculative asset, right? That's all Pepe is. And the same thing with Milady, right? No intrinsic value, just memes, right? Just having fun in the space, speculating on the price, and going into the bull cycle, it could still go crazy, right? That's how it is in the bull market. When the market is bullish, a lot of projects do well, especially the ones listed on tier 1s, right? Especially the projects listed on tier 1 exchanges. So hopefully they could do something to you know, make a comeback, make up for the disappointment that they did with launching another project on base chain, right? If they right here, see, they have another project that they launched. They say it's a sister token. I'm not sure if it's the same team that did it, or if it's like, you know, how it's truly connected. But yeah, to me, like I said, the better alternative to get a little bit more awareness was to bridge over the project, just like how they have the project on ETH and Arbitrum. So it's the same not necessarily the same contract, but how it's set up, it's like bridged. This is the same Milady coin with the same price and everything on Arbitrum and ETH. And if they could have done that for base chain as well, that would have been super bullish, right? I thought that would have been a great idea to spread some awareness to the project more. People will be like, yo, that's great. But yeah, after what they did, I'm kind of like not as bullish anymore. You never know what could happen though. Just gonna be realistic with y'all and let y'all know, you know, if you're still gonna be holding, right? If you're still gonna be holding, you just never know what could happen in the future. The bull market may come back. Ladies could crush it. and you know, that could be said for a ton of other projects, a ton of other meme coins. Like there's so much negativity around certain meme coins, like for example, you know, a dogecoin Mars, for example, also listed on crypto.com. You know, kind of just been going sideways for a bit, on a bit of a downtrend as well. You just never know if these meme coins could just start popping up again, right? You just never know. Ladies is in the top meme coins, kind of falling down, you know, compared to others, but still in the top meme coins, right? But we'll see where it goes from here. If they're able to, you know, make a comeback and stuff like that, or do something to get more awareness, then I may cover the project more again once on the cover the project once again on the channel, right? But for now, like I said, kind of like conflicted on how I feel about them launching a new coin on base chain instead of just bridging to base chain, right? That could have been something that really like pushed the project over the top, because I don't think there's many other projects that has officially bridged to base chain, but I don't think a bridge is open yet, so they just had to be a bit patient. So when you know, whenever the bridge was open, because you could bridge from ETH to base chain, but you can't bridge back as yet, right? So if they were, you know, a bit patient, calculating, and it was like, okay, whenever the bridge is live for us to bridge back and forth, let's bridge over the Milady meme coin to base chain and see how that does. And you know, that could have been a lot more awareness, easy, another place where people could get, you know, to purchase the Milady token. But yeah, they did, you know, something else from what I was expecting, man. So again, if you're still gonna be a holder, you know, I'm not gonna hate on that. You just never know. People might get out of the project, then, you know, months later, going into, or the bull market 2024 2025, something happens and then it goes bonkers, and all the people I held are in a great spot, right? So that could be the case as well, right? So I'm just gonna let you guys know. I'm just gonna be realistic with y'all and let y'all know how I feel about that. If you still hold, let me get your thoughts. If you're gonna get out of the project or not, just let me get your thoughts down below on the project, guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Really appreciate all the support. If you want to support the channel further, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.